Hello, and welcome to this core technology software tutorial, where we will be learning how to set regions of interest using the TOF-ms acquisition software. Defining a region of interest means specifying a mass range for monitoring. This range can be a single mass peak, a range of peaks, or a section of noise. We will identify a single mass peak as our region of interest. Zoom in on the peak you wish to identify. Here, we are using mass 79, which is protonated benzene. Now you can select the Add Region of Interest button to start marking the bounds of your new region. An information box appears to provide instructions for this. Use the left mouse button to first select the left edge, then right edge of the region. Then left-click inside the defined region to confirm your selection. You will be prompted for a name for your new region of interest. Enter this and click Keep. After defining a region of interest, you can always review it and any others you have previously defined by clicking on the Review Region of Interest button. The table lists all currently defined regions and their exact mass ranges. You can select which regions to delete and confirm by using the Clear Selected button, or delete all regions using the Clear All button. The Add Region of Interest button will launch the definition utility from here, similarly to the button found in the Spectrum workbook. You can also select which regions are active for use during a monitoring or GCMS acquisition. If you do not yet know what these are, you can get more information from the GCMS Core Technology software tutorial. Thanks for watching this Core Technology tutorial video.